Hey, what up, guys? It's BiancaCat123 here, and this is my first vid, so I want you guys to see something awesome. Woo! Yeah, what do you think of me now? Woo! Again, whoa, yeah. Okay, so here I am.
This is princehydrod here.
Yeah, that's princehydrod.
Yeah, I'm not recording a video, so this won't be.
So as you can see the little lots of glass. See, here's I built this place. Sure, there's a bit patches in it, but who cares? It's just like a vid.
Hey, what's in this chest? Oh, you have to read me when you fired me.
Oh, let's see it.
No, but I destroyed it. Didn't you?
Hey!
Sorry.
I wanted the fans to see it.
Well, basically what it said was.
It said, Johnny, it said, princehydrod, you're fired.
Yeah, Johnny's my new name, so I don't care what I just put in the comment.
Yeah. Hey, it works.
Hey, it does work. Hey, I thought the redstone one. I just got confused. I just got trolled by redstone.
Oh, yeah. Yada, he got trolled. You've been trolled.
Hey, I'm ready to pig. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Now's not the time. Want me to let you in?
No, why not? Screw you, pig. You go up TNT on your
Oh boy, zombies.
I'm gonna go have fun with my TNT blow.
Dude, I think I just heard somebody.
Really?
Yeah, yes I did. It's like there's a zombie right next to me. And I'm leaving, bye-bye. Dude, it's right next to me. It's like right next to me.
Oh my god. What,
I felt like a zombie right behind me. Oh my god.
You want to...
Did you guys even hear that? It was like it was right behind. Oh, right.
Oh yeah, we're using a custom texture pack.
Yes.
You'll have a link in the description below.
Zanta zombie. Woo!
She's new. I'm going to show her.
Hey, it's a Zanta zombie. Hey, Santa. Oh god, a villager zombie. Oh, you're a hideous fellow, aren't you? Hideous.
Obviously,
Just hideous. And sucker, you can't catch me. What a sucker. What was that?
Well, that was me putting
Alright, so I hope you guys have seen my friend princehydrod's video about the pig racing. Oh god, there's a zombie in the arena.
Zombie, please don't eat my pig. He's the losing. Wait, actually, eat him. He's the losing pig.
Yeah.
Eat him all you want.
Yes, eat him. Eat him bad.
Everywhere.
Yeah, so if you guys haven't seen the video of the pig race, you can go out to princehydrod's channel and find
Or you can have a link in the description.
and put and that too. So yeah, make sure to subscribe.
Subscribe? She's a little nervous.
Yeah, I don't know that goes at the end. So hey, look, it's my head. Hi head, hi my head. Want me to pull that lever, dude? Uh-oh. Guys!
Ah! That was sweet.
He made a cannon.
Hey, is that a zombie villager?
It is. Aren't you dumb? The Santa. I mean, if they're not Santa, they're zombie villagers. Yes.
What the? I better.
Eat.
Hey, he just started hitting the pig.
Yeah. Where did the pig go? That's so weird. Oh my god.
No, don't kill the zombie. Whatever it does, don't kill him. I want to cure him.
Huh?
Like, you can cure zombie villagers. Don't you know?
We're gonna cure him? How? Oh, let's watch him cure it.
Yeah, actually, you might have to
No.
Now I keep. And then.
Oh right. Oh boy.
Golden apple.
Whoa.
Oh my god.
He's not getting cured.
I know, but you have to wait. It takes some time, you know.
All right. Let me just
Hey,
grab.
stop moving in circles. I'll kill you.
I'll kill you, Piggy. He will.
Hey, is that Sky? Is that Sky in my car?
Where?
Over here, beside me. That's me.
Oh, I think he's doing it.
Wait, he's shaking him. Wait, I know he's good.
I can tell. All right, guys. This is gonna take some time.
This is gonna take some time, guys. Maybe you should cut the video.
Nah,
Really, it takes some time.
I don't care. I will all the time.
Yeah. Well, I don't know. But anyway, no, really, you should cut the video.
Well, guys, I know you haven't seen a zombie villager cured, so let's end the video with some fireworks, huh?
Okay, so all action the fireworks. You know what to do. Zombie villager, you get cured.
Bye.
Okay. So,
Oh, hang on, guys.
wait, you in F5 mode?
Yeah.
You have to hold it for every time you press F5.
Wow, what the?
Okay, guys, I'll meet you back when this is all fixed.
Nah. Okay, guys, so I'm back. Sorry about that. Something. As you can see, the little creepers, Enderman, and skeleton in the background.
So cool.
And let him loose, princehydrod.
I just locked them loose.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I just set them off.
Well, nothing happened.
Here it goes again. Here.
Think they're out of fireworks?
There.
No.
What the?
Oh, boy.
Nope.
Oh!
That was so cool.
Alright, guys. Well, that was me and princehydrod. And make sure to comment, subscribe, and
Rate the video.
rate the video, and make sure to subscribe and comment to his videos and see the pig racing video, okay? Alright, I'll see you guys later. Out.